the under 25. Please put your hands and voices and welcome the man himself, Sadhguru, onto the stage.
How do you keep yourself calm when you want to? Like what's that control? What's that switch?
If I'm riding or driving, the faster it gets, the calmer and cooler I become. There's only one rule, never collide with anything. This goes for your life also. You don't become significant because you've done something. That is a social significance. That may happen, that may not happen, that depends on the times in which we exist. But if you sit here, it must be significant to be this life. She is more driving towards mukti rather than just material well-being. That's what she designed for. Bhairavi is that if you know how to make use of this, being exuberant and wonderful every moment of your life is a living possibility. Today I've made some nice ragi dosa, you must eat and see.
I mean, how do you hold on to that joy? Because
there's nothing to hold on to. If you don't hold on to anything, you'll be joyful.
No more. Ted, I just had a session with Sadhguru. Yes!
All of you young women here, this is New India, what we are seeing here. If we change the way the young women of this country understand their life, the way they look at themselves and everybody around them, and their skill sets become of international quality, then we've changed the nation for sure. Here I am at India-Pakistan border. What a painful place. How much blood, how much pain, how much gore it has seen, but still we have to guard it. Our brave men and women are doing their best. Thank you, all of you, soldiers, thank you very much.
If the attention is so important, what's the best way to maintain it?
Human attention opens up doors like we have never imagined possible. In a sport, it's attention, not memory. Now, memory gives you reputation, gives you weight on your head. That's not really what you need out there. What you need is simply attention. One thing, all of you relators, you must understand this, we have only 4% of the world's land, but we have 17.2% of the world's population. In this 4%, how do we build in the smartest possible way? It's very important we learn to build differently. It is very important our building, our housing, our infrastructure suit this nation where we have 4% of the land and nearly 20% of the world's population. This is something all of you must keep in your mind. It's a great honor to be here in Benares and also to be talking to the farmers. I am putting this onus and this responsibility and this honor upon you that what you do here in the next 2 to 3 years' time could be a module for the entire world, could set up a revolution in the world of reviving soils. Go like this only and say this is new fashion. Isha life.
This is the 42nd shawl Swamiji's giving.
It's my wish and my blessing. All of you who are here, who have become engineers or who are on the way, must create more and more magic in this world for the well-being of this humanity and all life on this planet. Thank you very much. Our three wonderful Swamijis who are here, they represent institutions and traditions, each one of them. Each institution is over 1,000 years old. I'm the only one without a pedigree here.
ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಪ್ರೇಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಫಾಲ್ ಇನ್ ಲವ್, ಆದರೆ ಗುರುವಿನ ಪ್ರೇಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ರೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲವ್. ಅದು ಸದ್ಗುರುವಿನ ಪ್ರೇಮ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸೇಂಟ್ ಎವರೆಸ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಸೇಂಟ್ ನೆವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್.
ಇದೊಂದು ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆಯ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬಂದ ಜನರ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ತಂಪನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉರಿತಾ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಂಪಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಈಶಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನ ಈ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಮಹತ್ವ.
ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೆ ವಿದೇಶಗಳ ಕೆಲವು ದೇಶಗಳ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಭಾರತ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಅಂಥವರ ಒಂದು ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಏಳಿಸುವಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸದ್ಗುರುಗಳಿಂದ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು.
He's very grateful to you for this opportunity to be here in Ashram once more again. He came with the friend. She's blind as well.
I'm being brave, all right? The only thing that we need to do is conduct ourselves. If we can conduct this consciously, we are a solution for everything.